Go ahead, man. Take a step. Yeah. And you know what?
Yeah.
I thought that stepping on the grass, like right here,
There you go, bro.
would be better.
There you go.
No. We're at the Huckleberry Trail entrance here, and we got Ryan debating on whether he's going to carry his chair with him. So that pound, man, may make or break you. Hey guys, so it's TrailBeaner here on another adventure at the Seneca Creek backcountry trails in West Virginia. This section is in the Monongahela National Forest, and just beautiful area. We love the dolly sides down here. Looking forward to doing the cranberry wilderness trails, but someone posted a video not too long ago, and this area just looked very nice. You know, here Spruce Knob, where we parked, their parking lot. That's Spruce Knob is the highest point in the Allegheny Mountain range, and I guess there's a lookout tower out there. We didn't get to go up there today. Opted not to. I mean, it's kind of foggy today. There's no views right now, so maybe when we get back from our backpacking trip here on Sunday, might head up to that point. But beautiful weather. We thought it'd be pouring today. Forecast was nothing but rain, and so far we're blessed to not have that to deal with. And if it does, it is what it is, you know. It's part of being out here in the woods. But it's beautiful forest so far. Just getting started on the Huckleberry Trail. Trail 533, I believe the number is. And plan on making it up to Lumberjack Trail, and then up to the High Meadows Trail. And we're kind of winging it. Looks like everything's well defined, well marked. So just thanks for coming along. Look forward to enjoying this trail together. Epic trip so far. Looking forward to more epic memories. TrailBeaner out. So like I was saying, we were expecting rain. It looks like rain has already been here. This is the trail. It's gonna be a little wet. What do you think? But beautiful. Look at all the colors here. This is one awesome trail. Nice and rocky, but nice green colors all over the place. Wherever you look, it's really nice. So I am grateful that I am wearing the sealskin socks. My feet will keep dry regardless of what I go through, and let's just keep trekking here. Well, not too far into the Huckleberry Trail here. There's some nice campsites already visible. It's nice level spots if you have tents. A lot of trees if you have hammocks, and fire ring, big flat rock to cook on or sit on. Very nice. Oh, what's this? I think the sun is starting to poke through. Epic. This is going to be one sweet trip, guys. I can feel it. Can you? Just made it to the spot that kind of opens up on the Huckleberry Trail. This is nice. Sorry, man, I'm going to cut behind you here. There's little game trails. They run off the main trail, looks like. It's still kind of cloudy, but man, these views are spectacular out there. There we go. Views for days. See if I can make it down this little game trail. Show you what I'm talking about. Very nice. This is what it's about, guys. Look at that. So just like that, guys, we're back in the pine forest. Man, that was a nice clearing back there. The trail was different, views were different. So far, really enjoying this trip. Nothing but nice views. Wet, dry and all, rocky. Got it all here. Some parts were definitely technical, you know. You're trying to pull your foot out of a muck, and your next step is on a slanted wet rock. I mean, it's just awesome. Clear skies now? Almost. Let me take my words back there. Almost clear skies. Here, let me give you a look. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna get back on trail here. Just thanks for coming along, and you know, hope that you guys enjoy this trip. I've literally been sliding halfway down this hill. It's like skiing on mud down a hill. You kind of just aim your feet where you want to go, and holy moly, it's been fun down that little stretch. But I know that on the way back on Sunday we'll have to climb up it, so that'll be fun. But man, the sun is coming out, as you can see behind me. The fog is finally starting to clear away. Man, taking so many views in already. It's such a short time span. It's nice to be out here. So let's continue on with this trek. Got to be close to being done with this Huckleberry Trail. Gonna be jumping on the Lumberjack Trail soon. So, all right, catch up with you guys in a little bit. Muddy for you?
What's that?
Is that hill muddy enough for you?
Yeah, I had to put the camera down before I ate it.
I was just
I'm slipping and sliding all over.
I was just talking about, man, it's fun going down, but I'm thinking about Sunday. We got to go up that thing.
Yeah, that's gonna be a push.
Awesome though.
There ain't nothing fun about going down.
Yeah, puts a hurt on you, huh?
You don't got my knees.
You don't want his knees.
Now using the trekking poles properly helps.
Yeah. So here we're gonna hang a left, it looks like.
That's it, blue blazes, son.
Let's keep rolling.
Following those blue blazes.
Saying it like you mean it. All right, so we're at the junction of 534, which is Lumberjack Trail, and the trail we were just on, which is the Huckleberry Trail 533. We're gonna hang a right here and follow this up into the High Meadows Trail. Gonna keep an eye out. Somewhere along this section of the trail, I guess, is where a airplane crash happened.
Yeah, up on the left.
Up on the left, okay. So yeah, we'll keep an eye out for the remains of that that airplane accident. So
yeah. And you know what?
Yeah.
I thought that stepping on the grass, like right here,
Here you go, bro.
would be better.
Here you go.
No. Yeah, we thought the Huckleberry Trail was muddy, but you got all these little streams that run down the hills here. I don't know if you can even hear them here in the background, but there's definitely running water feeding these this trail. This is the Lumberjack Trail. Man, you gotta be hardcore lumberjacking to traverse this trail. Jeez. There you go. So there's definitely water as a water source now on this trail. There's all sorts of little streams and such, but it's also making the trail really, really interesting. As you can see, my foot there. There's no walking around, nothing. That's awesome. So easy peasy, we're making it. Epic trail so far, guys. Epic trip, epic forest. Just happy to be out here. Enjoying nature, good company, awesome weather, and hanging out with you guys. Thanks a lot for watching so far.
hey guys, so here's the cairn marking the wreckage of that airplane that I was talking about. There's Brian going down this hill from the Lumberjack Trail, which is back here behind us. Here's some of the wreckage. You know, try to be careful where I step. Don't want to disturb anything. You know, it's nice to be respectful for the families of these guys whose lives ended here. Here's the fuselage, main body. Wow, it was no joke. No joke. All right.
Sad, man.
It's
got an eerie feeling to it.
It does, you know, young guys. There's the rest of it up there behind Brian. But yeah, you know, if you guys ever make it down here, just be respectful of where you step. Just try to leave everything as it was, I guess. You know, this way their memory lives on. All right, well, time to get back in the trail, guys. Been good so far. Weather's looking good. But all right, let's continue on. Lumberjack Trail 534 ends and the High Meadows Trail 564 begins. As you can see, the sign isn't exactly upright anymore, and it looks like someone already tried to put it in the ground several times. There's rocks piled, but it's still very well marked. Like I've said earlier, this trail has these awesome trailblazers that you know, they're not just your normal paint stripe. They're nailed into the trees. This is the High Meadows Trail where it opens up. Holy moly, guys! Check out behind me. I don't know how to put this into words. It's so beautiful. Beautiful day. Beautiful scenery. Check it.
And just like that, we're back out into the meadows. Kind of worried there. The High Meadows Trail ran right into a thick forest, rocky section. And we thought that was it, that we had seen all there was to see on the High Meadows Trail. I was wrong, because this is where we're coming up to now. This is it. Look at this. Whoo! Views on views on views. Gorgeous. What do you guys think? Does it look that good as it does for me? For you guys? Oh man, I hope so. I don't know about you guys, but I love West Virginia. So we're gonna keep on this trail. We're kind of undecided of what to do. We may just, we haven't had lunch yet. And we were looking for a place to have lunch, and in doing so, we just keep getting all these cool views. We just keep going and going. So we are so close to just making those 10 miles that we wanted to do today. In total, that we may just bypass lunch and get to our spot that we want to hang or camp at. And I'm hanging. Brian's using a tent this trip, but so yeah, we may just power on through and do the 10 so miles that we wanted to do to get to the camp we want. No complaints at all. Mud, yeah. Rock trail, yeah. Awesome, heck yeah. So coming off of the High Meadow Trail, we ran into the Horton Trail. You're gonna want, well, if you want to take our route, we hung a right on Horton, and it's just gonna be a small section on this trail because we're gonna run into Seneca Creek Trail, 515. So that is our goal. Couple small creek crossings here on this trail so far. You can hear the brook running behind me. So nice. We're walking next to this thing. So as far as water goes, down here after the High Meadows, a lot of water options. Well, thanks for hanging out, guys, and we'll continue. Keep you posted. All right, so this is where we gotta cross over to that side. This is sketch. I don't know, man. This is it. Almost took a plunge there. That's awesome. What a way to cross and cool off. Sweet. Made it across. So yeah, this is where Horton Trail ends. The Seneca Creek Trail number 515 begins. We're thinking maybe there, because that was legit. Epic, guys, epic.
break it down for you.
Yeah, break it down, man.
I got some of this Justin's peanut butter.
Yeah.
I got a honey peanut butter and his hazelnut chocolate butter. I got a tortilla. I topped it with some Reese's snack mix.
Nice, nice.
Reese's Pieces, pretzels, little miniature Reese's cups in there, and drizzled it with a packet of honey.
You had me a tortilla.
All in a amazing burrito.
That's right, man.
So
I thought you were gonna call us
everybody.
I thought you were gonna call it something gay, like a rap or something. No, it's a
Well, my
either
brother-in-law is Mexican.
it's a tortilla,
right?
so it's either a taco or a burrito.
It's a burrito, man. It's my honey peanut butter, chocolate hazelnut, honey drizzled, Reese's snack mix, topped. I earned this. Don't leave me a comment about my diet until you come hike 10 miles with me. All right? I ain't trying to hear it.
Leave him a comment about his food. He needs to hear it.
Listen, that's hard work. But nobody wants to say nothing about a mountain house meal. I go in the woods cooking steak, burgers, salmon. Everybody gets in the uproar. Want to tell me about my diet? Cook up a mountain house meal, they don't say a word.
Because they're so delicious. That's epic, guys. Alright guys, so here's my palace for the night. I want to show you my setup, my rig here. Here's my dream hammock, Darien. Isn't she a beaut? Little saggy right there. I got some stuff in there hanging out. But tell you what, lightest, most comfortable hammock I've used. It's just, I think it's 16.2 or 16.3 ounces with all the accessories that I've put in there, you know, the ridgeline organizer and the tie outs like these. I love this hammock, so comfortable, top quality. If anyone's ever in a market for a hammock, don't even give it a second thought. Go with a dream hammock. And here's my Chill Gorilla Fortress tarp with doors, flying in the porch mode right now. I love porch mode. I mean, you can lay down and look out. And this is what I've got to look out to, so it should be an epic night of sleep. So that's coming later. Can't wait to get some good Z's in there. My under quilt is not put on yet. It's a hammock gear econ quilt. Here's my backdrop for the day, for the night. Man, I don't know what else to say about this site. This is beautiful. So these are some trails that run out, shoot out from behind the campsite we're at. Nice fall evening. Sun is starting to go down. It's about 5:40 or so, give or take. Very nice. Very nice first day. No complaints. We have fire. Brian's bushcrafting is paying off big time right now because we get to warm up.
Man. You help get some of the wood.
Fire, shelter, water. What else do we need? Awesome day. It's the end of day one. Had dinner. Made myself a ramen bomb tonight with some chicken
picante, ramen noodles, and some sour cream and chive mashed potatoes. So it was delicious. You know what? I gotta dial down the amounts because man, I cut the packets in half, and it was still a lot of food. That's one heavy meal. But other than that, it was delicious. Had a fire going. Had dinner. It's about 8:40 right now, so it's I think it's time for bed. Brian's not feeling too hot with his knees right now, but hopefully tomorrow he'll be able to bust out some miles, or even if he's not able to, we'll just enjoy the time out here. Again, I can't complain. I'm sleeping literally, I don't know, 20 feet from a waterfall, so it's an awesome experience so far. Thanks for coming along. Look forward to more adventures tomorrow. So, all right, have a good night, everyone. Talk to you then. Well, one of the morning chores we have to do is, as you all know, bear bag retrieval time. It's fortunate I was able to find a pretty decent branch to hold our food, and there she is, up there. Cool part is, it doesn't look too high, but right here, it's a steep slant down. So, good luck, Mr. Bear. Obviously, he wasn't successful. So, what I did is come up here, run my line across up the little hill, up the little slope, the little hill, and tie it off there. Easy peasy. Some slippery line knots. There we go. One. Let's just twist it on me a little bit here. Yep. 2, 3. Loose. Grab. Lower. Easy as that, guys. Let's see, we're up the slope from where we camped at, up the hill. Very nice. Very nice views this morning. Hey guys, so here we go. Another creek crossing. Got Brian setting up over there. This is still on the Seneca Creek Trail. Beautiful trail, multiple cap options like crazy actually all along the creek. It's beautiful. More waterfalls and more river crossings. River view here. Oh yeah. How's that? I'm in no hurry to fall with my pack on. Just about there, and contact. So, not bad. See the blaze over there on top of, overhead of Brian in that tree. Easy to follow trail so far. Nowhere to really get lost, as long as you keep your head up. So, all right, guys, back on this trail we will go, and we'll catch up with you in a bit. All right, well, again, thanks again for hanging out. I'm gonna go sit down, take a breather, and I don't know, I think we're just gonna go find a place to camp on Huckleberry Trail. A lot of nice sights. It's more woodsy, got a lot more woodsy feel to it than this area, but it's all good. Okay, talk to you guys in a bit. We're now on the Judy Springs hiking trail, heading towards the Huckleberry hiking trail. We're gonna find a place probably on that trail to camp at. Going through this little meadow, it looks like. I don't know why there's fence here, but there's a fence. Tell you what though, coming up, the trail we were just on, it is elevation galore. Definitely a climb. Not too bad as long as you take your time, but like I said, now going into Meadows. Look at those views, beautiful. All right, let's get back on the trail. Judy Trail definitely opens up to some nice views, huh? Behind me, you got more meadows, more hills, colors, more forest. It's just beautiful out here. I think I might move to West Virginia. Then they'll have a TrailBeaner living here. But man, this is awesome. Check it out. All right, let's get going. A lot more views to see. So this trail I'm on is the Huckleberry Trail. There's a campsite we saw. Here, check out behind me. Taking a tour real quick. So here's the campsite right off the trail. I mean, it's nice, I guess, if you want to tent under the stars, because it's nothing but open skies up there, right? But then Brian kept walking through, and actually there's a little game trail, it looks like, back here. So we followed it. You have to walk in a little bit through some brush here. It's nice, a very scenic little area, but then it goes into pretty deep woods, all pine forest. You'll see in a second here, because this is where we set up for the night. There's my rig, my hammock there. Nice open area. Set up in porch mode there. Love that. All open. Got a fire going. Brian's over there chefing it up. He's got his tent
make
up.
some turkey casserole, homemade.
Oh yeah, homemade, huh?
Homemade.
Nice, right? Straight, fresh from the bag. And there you go. Pine forest campsite hidden beyond another campsite,
And actually, there's another game trail that keeps going further on. We found some sketchy stuff back there. Who knows who was doing what back there. But for the most part, nothing to worry about right here. Brian happened to see a deer. I don't know. How far you think it was from you, man? 25 feet? 30 feet? Just staring at you?
Yeah, and then I was recording it, and it looked at me, and then just went back down, grazing.
But this is us tonight, guys. Awesome area. Nice and set off the trail. That's one thing about the Huckleberry Trail is that most sites are really close to the trail. So this is a nice change of pace from what we saw on that trail. All right. Well, gonna cook some dinner, eat, chill, look at a nice fireplace here, and that's it. Well, it's our final morning here. Wow, what a great night of sleep I had. The breeze is really blowing this morning. Feels nice and cool. We're hoping it won't rain. Doesn't seem like it's rained at all. Last night was nice. It's just breezy all night, so I really enjoyed it. Yeah, this just was a good night of deep sleep. We're gonna get up, do some camp chores, pack up, hike out on Huckleberry Trail, and hit up the Spruce Knob tower today. Get some views in there, hopefully. Hopefully it's clear enough. And we're debating on either driving up the Seneca Creek rocks or Seneca rocks. Not sure if that's gonna be happen, but if it does, you'll know. We'll let you know. But thanks for watching so far. We're gonna get up, check out the site this morning. It's beautiful. Hey guys, so yeah, we're back on the trail, Huckleberry Trail, back to Spruce Knob parking lot. Beautiful sunny morning. Even the mud is a little firmer today. It's starting to dry out. Awesome camp last night. Good breakfast this morning. I was rocking the peanut butter Pop-Tarts thanks to Shug's recommendations. I think he's met his competition, because I'm gonna go out and buy as many as those as I can before if they decide to discontinue them again. Let's see what else. So it should be an easy 4.6 mile hike out today. Nothing crazy. The weather's really nice. Like I said, it's a nice breeze moving this morning. Mid 60s. Could get a little warmer with the sun beating down like this a little bit, but it's just beautiful, and glad to be out here in the woods, hiking, talking to you guys, taking in the views, and that's it. We'll keep it posted on our progress and on our hike out. All right, talk to you guys later. You know, hiking out of the trail kind of sucks. You already start to miss some of the things you've seen, and bringing back memories of what you just did. But just leaves you wanting to get back out in the forest, in the woods. If you ever get the chance to do it, it's beautiful out here in nature. You'll feel better, trust me, all the way around. Might be tough, could be challenging, could be painful, could be wet, it could be sweaty, it could be a bunch of stuff that usually relate to negative things. But the benefits you get out of being out here far outweigh the negatives, the cons. So I guess what I'm trying to say is, just get out here, check it out, and try it at least once in your lifetime.
it's definitely worth it. So guys, we're back at the trailhead here at the Spruce Knob parking lot. What an awesome trip it was. You know, we had every kind of view we could think of, really. Rocks, mud, grand meadows. It was awesome. Great weather, great company, right? You had great company. But all in all, we're back all in one piece. We had a great time, and thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. So yeah, guys, we're back at the Spruce Knob parking lot. And you know what? When we drove in, it was pitch black at nighttime, and in the morning it was nothing but fog. But wow, I'm blown away today by the views from the parking lot. We haven't even gone up to the Spruce Knob Tower yet, but let me show you what's behind me. What do you think, man?
I love West Virginia.
Dude. Beautiful. So we're heading up to the Spruce Knob observation tower. See what this all hype is about. I know we're at about 4,800 feet high. It's supposed to be the highest spot on the Allegheny Mountain range, and should be an epic view from up here. So this is a nice little trail. Anyone can hike in. Less than a mile, half mile long. It's real short. But it's a really nice, wide, open view from up here, from what I was told. So we'll go up here and check it out. View, huh? Not at all. Yeah, it would have been cool to make it up to Seneca Rocks, and we kind of have to do a drive-by literally. But check it out, we're here, we're at the parking area. Looks like a busy area for people to come and enjoy. It's not a large hike in or long distance, but it's definitely worth it if you get the chance to. Check it out. It would have been nice to summit that and get to walk around on the rocks, but man, just the view from down here. I know this video won't make it any justice, but it is massive. It's beautiful. Tucked away here in the Allegheny Range. Awesome.